Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about date functions. Here we have many functions related to date, so we are going to start from now. Whenever we apply now function, it generates also the time, the date and the time. For example, equal sign, now, close bracket and enter. You can see it's the date and the time. It is the date and the time. For today, when we apply we can find the date equal today, close bracket and enter. You can see here I have the time and here I just have the date. And here for finding the year of services, we have two ways. We just write equal, I can minus from today the date of hire. I can select this or just write my function today, close bracket, minus date of hire and enter. You can see here it shows the days. It doesn't show the year or the month. It calculates the days. So here is, now I have a very beautiful function. I gonna delete this. I just here write equal sign YEARFRAC tab, select my start date, comma, and end date. We can select this. I select this. I should put my dollar here before. Close the bracket and enter. 13 years, almost 14 years. I just drag it down. It works magically. And here for the next review, every year we have review. I just sum this with 365 days. I just write equal and select this plus 365 and enter. It is the next review. Drag it down. Yep. Yes. And here I want to find the year and month and the day. It's pretty easy. Everyone has a function equal year and select the date and enter. Next one, equal sign, month, tab, select the date and enter. Last one, equal day, tab, select the date and enter. It works magically. I just select this and drag it down. Yep, that's it about the date function. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.